Hello everyone! Welcome to my class, College and Advanced Algebra for the first semester of SY20 to 2021. Before we have our formal discussion on algebraic expressions, let us first have a review on how to perform operations on real numbers. To standardize the answer, the following are the order of operations or priorities. Number 1, perform any operations within a grouping symbol such as parentheses, brackets, braces, absolute value, radicals, etc., or in the numerator or denominator of a fraction. We have to note that within a grouping symbol, the operation or order of operations will still apply. If there are several grouping symbols intermixed, remove them by starting from the innermost one and working outward. Number 2, perform indicated powers and roots. Number 3, perform multiplication and division from left to right. Number 4, perform addition and subtraction from left to right. Again, we have to note that within any priority, every operation is of equal importance. That is, multiplication is no important than division in priority number 3. Therefore, when performing a particular priority, start at left and proceed to the right, doing only those operations within the priority that we are performing as we come to them without skipping around. Say, for example, we have 10 minus 5, quantity 7 minus 3 plus 2 raised to 3. So how do we solve this problem? Okay, by principle, so we need to copy 10, then minus 5, and then perform 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4, and then copy the plus sign, and then 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Why 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8? That is 2 times 2 times 2. And then, we copy again 10, and then perform negative 5 times 4, which is negative 20, and then plus 8. So by performing this, we have 10 minus 20 is negative 10, and then plus 8. Therefore, negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2. So therefore, the final answer is negative 2. So what about if we have another set of example, which is 4 plus 2, open brace, 4, open parenthesis, 6 minus 12 plus 3 plus 7, closing parenthesis, plus 2 times 4, and then closing brace, minus 7 plus 8, all over 2 squared minus 1. So how do we do that, or how do we solve that? So again, we have to perform first those inside the grouping symbol. So that is 4 plus 2, and then we have to copy 4, and then performing those numbers inside the parentheses. So we have 6 minus 12 is negative 6, and then 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay? And then plus, performing 2 times 4, that is 8, and then we close. Then minus 7 plus 8 is 15, over 2 squared is 4, and then copy minus 1. Then next we have 4 plus 2, and then simplifying those inside the parentheses. So we have 4, and then times positive 4, plus 8, and then we close. Then minus 15 over 3. Then next we have 4 plus 2. Then multiplying 4 by 4 is 16 plus 8. Then we close. And then that is minus 5. Sorry. So that is 16. I have to rewrite it. 16 plus 16 plus 8. Okay. Minus 5. Okay. So we have now 4 plus 2 times 24 and then minus 5. So that becomes 4 plus 48 minus 5. So if we're going to perform first the addition, that is 44 plus 48, which gives us 52 minus 5. So therefore, the final answer is 47. Okay, so 47. Do you have questions, class? So if you don't have questions pertaining to our examples and when you are able to follow the discussion, I think you will now be ready for the introduction of our formal discussion on algebraic expression, which is our lesson 1. Then I'll see you around. Bye, class. See you again.